You get it in, I make the tea.
Here we go. First time. I told you! DIY is an essential life skill for all Gen Z to have, but even us oldies could do with brushing up on our skills as well. That's why we've teamed up with HomeServe to help the nation to brush up on all things home maintenance.
I think we'll just blow a fuse.
Best ask the experts.
Dad, engineer's here!
Here to look at your electrics?
Yes.
Here's your circuit board here. It can be in a pantry, it could be in a garage, it could be just by your front door like this one. Now what we're looking at on here is to see if any of the switches have turned off. Have you had any problems with the downstairs sockets at all?
We were making a cup of tea earlier and there was a funny noise.
Okay, so that would explain why this switch is actually turned off. So if you have a look at all the labels underneath the switches, the sockets on the ground floor here is switched off. So it would just be a simple case of turning that on.
Okay.
Would you like to try that?
Of course.
Well done, Gen Z. What if the switch actually doesn't want to go up?
So that usually indicates that an appliance could be at fault. If it was to trip again, what you would do is you would unplug the kettle and then try and flick it back on and see if that stays on.
All right, crisis averted. Our kettle is fine. Would you like one?
Go on then.
Go for it, Fred. If you need any advice on any of the home fixes that you might need to make, visit homeserve.co.uk.